Hello and welcome to Systweak Software. I'm Nitin and today I'm going to show you a simple and easy way to sign a PDF file with this Systweak PDF Editor. You might need to sign documents like contracts, agreements, invoices, or official letters. With this Systweak PDF Editor, you can do it quickly and easily. This is the second tutorial and you can watch the other tutorials by clicking on the playlist link given in the description. Also, you can scan the QR code visible on the screen to download and install Systweak PDF Editor from the website. Let's now add the signature to this document. Click on Edit at the top. Now click Sign PDF and then click here on Create Signature. This will open an Add Signature window. You can click on Draw to draw the signature. You can also change its color and clear it to redraw. If you already have a signature image, click on Upload and then click Choose Image. Select the signature image and click Open to upload it. Once open, it will offer you three options: the original image as it is and two different versions with transparent backgrounds. Select the signature and click on Apply. The signature is now attached to the mouse cursor. Move it to the place where you want to place it and just click there to place it. Select the signature and drag to resize it. And it's done. To save it, go to File and click on Save. This will save your PDF with the signature. Let's open the PDF. Here is our digitally signed PDF. That's it. With Systweak PDF Editor, signing multiple PDFs is quick and easy. If you face any issues, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. See you in the next one.